Well, Australian authorities are preparing for a worst-case scenario on Saturday, with conditions set to be extremely hot, dry and windy. It's set to be a very difficult and dangerous day for thousands of firefighters on the front line up and down the country's east coast. As you said, New South Wales has declared a 7-day state of emergency, which starts tomorrow, and that's actually the third state of emergency since November. There are currently 4 leave zones across the New South Wales south coast, with tourists and people who don't need to be there told to get out now and to be out by Saturday. But their exits are being hampered by road closures, fuel shortages and traffic gridlock as thousands of cars take to the roads all at once. Meanwhile, in eastern Victoria, the Army has been mobilised to evacuate people and also to bring in food, water and other supplies to cut off communities. In the seaside town of Malakuta, thousands remain stranded, but up to 800 people are set to be evacuated at 7 a.m. on Friday morning, tomorrow morning, and the Navy ship Chul's, which arrived today from Sydney.
It's really a devastating situation, Rochelle, as we can see there from those pictures as you were speaking. In the meantime, the governments continue to be slammed for its inaction on climate change. The Prime Minister gave a press conference on the fires today. Did he address that at all?
Yes, he did. Yes, the Prime Minister, Scott Morrison, gave his first press conference of the new year. The PM continues to take heat over what many perceive as climate change inaction and what many see as a lack of leadership during this bushfire emergency. Well, the Australian leader was actually heckled by a protester today as he and his wife toured fire-ravaged communities here in New South Wales. But today he showed no signs of budging from the government stance. He continued to defend Australia's climate policies, saying that the country is meeting and beating its targets. But he also caused some controversy when, despite this unprecedented crisis, he told Australians that there's no need to panic and asked those waiting to be rescued to be patient.
Ambil kan itu, ambil kan, ayo pakai make up di dia, no.